What's the number one question you have to ask yourself when you're decluttering your kids' artwork? I was named People.com's family organizing expert, and I'm a former teacher. The number one question you have to ask with every single piece of artwork is, do I need to physically hold this item to appreciate it? If the answer is yes, then you have to save it. But if the answer is no, or you're not sure, see if you can turn it into an artwork book. I do this for my kiddos every single year. These are chapbooks, but really any photo book thing is going to work. Start by taking a piece of artwork and taking a picture of it near a window or even outside. Save that piece of artwork to a folder on your phone and then link that folder up to any book publishing service. For my kiddos, we do this once a year at the end of every school year. Then they can have their book either in their bedroom or in the living room to look at all of their beautiful pictures. Make sure you follow for tons more practical family organizing tips, tricks, and tutorials.